guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely great. So in today's video, we will be talking about micro habits or tiny habits for a better you. Now, you must have seen my previous video which I uploaded recently that talks about transformation, right? अब अगर हम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की बात कर रहे हैं तो it in a one day it will not be possible, but there are some tiny habits which eventually lead you and make you a better person, and it involves a transformation in yourself. So that's going to be talking about in today's video. So if you have clicked on this video, make probably think that you also want to incorporate some tiny habits for a better use. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Nishal Anwana and I post videos related to everything like vlogging, fashion, lifestyle, food challenges and whatnot, right? And some personality development videos that are going to coming in this 2024. That's what can I promise to you. Without wasting much more time, let's quickly get into this video. So the first habit is that I have started and sitting in a which asana I started incorporating in my life, that is sitting in a malasana position while drinking the warm water. Now it the first day जब मैंने इसको किया था तो मुझे like I couldn't be able to sit in this position for a longer period of time, like I just sat for 1 minute and then I think my leg was paining. I can feel the stretch. It really, or warm water, so you know the benefits. I don't have to tell you about the benefits of drinking warm water in an empty stomach. You are already aware about it, right? But ये मलासन position में बैठने के बाद it improves your digestion. It is good for your gut health. So why not, guys? You have to do such things for your better digestion, because at the end of the day, what's important system, and like one of the very most important system in our body is digestive system, because if food is digested, then I guess each and every cell performs better. And let's just not get into this more deeper science, but the thing is sitting in malasana position, which eventually enhances your digestion and it's good for your health. So the second habit which I've started and which I was doing from a very long period of time is to move my body, right? Now move your body, exercise, dance, zumba, whatever suits to you, you just do it, because your body is gonna appreciate it and you're gonna appreciate it this afterwards, that you're gonna have a pain if you're gonna do cardio, if you're gonna strength training, if you're gonna do exercises, जो भी चीज आप करोगे आपको थोड़ा पेन फील होगा and you will be like I don't want to feel like doing it. You have a lot of reasons to postpone or that I'm gonna do this tomorrow, but I can just tell you this thing, guys, that start doing exercise. You move your body now, because the body is going to say thank you in so many ways as soon as you will hit your after 30, you're gonna hit 40 or 50, because it's gonna, if you do exercise, if you move your body in a long run, it's gonna have lots of benefits. Guys, if we say that we don't have anything, we don't have the content to watch, everything is available. कितना कुछ आता है भाई, कितना कुछ. Everything is available on internet, so you can watch everything related to anything which you want to incorporate. आप कितनी सारी चीजें incorporate कर सकते हो यार. Lots of resources available on the internet, lots of videos. And for the beginner, just type for a beginner, you will see a lot of good videos, about the numerous of videos you can see, and just scroll, watch, and just do it, because your body is going to say thank you to you in so many ways. And the third habit, which is very important and I think you should incorporate, is the CTM routine. Now I guess you all are already aware about it, but if you're not, then let me explain it to you. That C stands for cleansing, T stands for toning, and M stands for moisturizing, guys. It's what basically to take care of your skin. एक proper skincare routine. वैसे skincare routine में बहुत सारी steps होती है, but these 3 steps, cleansing, toning, and moisturizing, are very important, and it just takes less than 5 minutes to you to do everything. Like, or it's not that hectic, हो भी जाएगा easily. And इसको करोगे तो you're gonna see a lot of differences, because I guess physical appearance matters the most. और अभी तो if we talk about during summertime पे cleansing, toning, moisturizing बहुत important है. Don't skip moisturizing, and don't skip moisturizing, because we think अभी क्या जरूरत है, it's only need in winter time. It's not like that. Your body needs, your skin, your face needs moisturization during the summer time also. So try to add such kind of sunscreen, या ऐसी कोई sun cream ले लो जिसमें moisturizer और साथ में SPF, so that it will be 2 in 1 for you, and just do it. Whatever the cleanser you are using, whatever the face wash you are using, just use that only. बहुत ज़्यादा internet में ये भी ले लो वो भी ले लो मत करो. just use whatever suits best for you. If you want a proper video regarding it, just comment down. We're going to make a separate video about it as well. But I think just pick a normal cleanser जो भी आप use करते हो, pick a normal toning. Not aware about what toners you can use, so you can use one very good option, that is a rose water. Either in summer's time you can use cucumber also, cucumber toner, which is like way too good. You can make the DIYs also at home. If you want a separate video about it, do comment down. I'm going to make a video for that as well. And the moisturizer, the normal moisturizer that you use. But during the summer's time, you plus try to incorporate a sunscreen so that you can get the SPF also and you can get the moisturizer also 2-in-1. So that's about it. लगाओगे eventually रोज follow करना है guys. एक दिन करके कुछ नहीं होगा. Morning, night, दोनों time. These 3 things only. It is not. I'm not telling you to do facial every day, to do scrubbing, to do massaging every day. Not like that. Just these 3 steps. The tip number 4 is to have your dinner before 7:30 p.m. Now, I have seen a lot of videos, I have seen a lot of shorts, reels about it, that to have your dinner before 6 p.m. But it is not possible in my case, because I'm a kind of a person who generally eats their dinner around 8:30, 9 o'clock. So in my case, like to jumping from 9 to 7, it is not possible. And because I'm not at all addicted to these habits, या मेरे को ऐसा की हैबिट मेरी बन चुकी है और मेरे को आदत ही आदत है. It's like I am also a kind of person who is indulging in making them into a habit. So for me to have my dinner before 7:30, I guess this will be the perfect ratio here right now for me, and this is the benchmark and this is the time which I can set. For you it can be a different, but to have your dinner at least, and there should be 2 hours gap before, while you have your dinner and while you are having your sleep schedule, right? To have a 2 hours gap, because during night time, because our food needs to get digested, because आप जब सोते हो तो बहुत सारे processes आपकी body में हो रहे होते हैं, and जितना ज़्यादा time आपकी body को मिल रहा है for mechanism, for repairing and everything, so it's very great to, so that क्या होगा अगर आप 10 बजे खाना खा रहे हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक एग्जाम्पल देके सब बात करते हैं इस बारे में. अगर आप 10 बजे खाना खा रहे हो, राइट, 10 बजे आपने खाया और आप 11 बजे सो भी गए, तो देयर इज नॉट, और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इफ यू आर नॉट वॉकिंग ऑल्सो, टू हैव अ वॉक आफ्टर डिनर एटलीस्ट 10 to 15 minutes इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ यू आर नॉट वॉकिंग ऑल्सो आफ्टर द डिनर, आप बस एक जगह बैठे हो, एंड इफ यू आर 10 बैठे हो, 10 बजे खाना खाया, 11 बजे सो गए ना, तो आपने एक अच्छे तरीके से वॉकिंग करी फॉर अ बेटर डाइजेशन, एंड जस्ट यू हैव स्लेप्ट, तो आपकी बॉडी ने इतना लेट खाया है तो अब उसको बहुत टाइम लगेगा डाइजेस्ट करने में, और डाइजेस्ट करती ही रह जाएगी, और उसमें सुबह हो जाएगी, फिर आप वापस अपनी लाइफ सारी प्रोसेस कर जाओगे, तो आपकी बॉडी रिपेयर कब करेगी, मुझे ये बताओ. योर बॉडी नीड्स टू रिपेयर अ लॉट मोर थिंग्स. आपकी बॉडी में बहुत सारे प्रोसेसेस चल रहे होते हैं ड्यूरिंग नाइट टाइम. इट रिपेयर्स, इट रिजुवेनेट्स योर स्किन, राइट, everything. So when your body gets the time to do all the processes, right? So to have your dinner before 7:30, before 7 if you can adjust, and एक आधा, जैसे अभी 15-20 दिन ऐसा सेट कर लो कि 8, अगर आप 10 बजे खाने वाले बंदे हो ना, तो आप 8 बजे खा लो, 8 से पहले वाले, तो ऐसे आधा घंटे की टाइम लिमिट, मतलब ऐसे कम करते जाओ, सो इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. एंड स्टिक टू वन टाइम प्लान. एक स्टिक करना है कि एक ही चीज को फॉलो करना है. ऐसा नहीं कभी 8 बजे खा रहे हैं, कभी 7 बजे खा रहे हैं, कभी और फिर यूं नहीं कि खा लिया तो बस वो खा लिया, उसके बाद कुछ भी नहीं खाना है, चटर मटर ऑर्डर कुछ भी नहीं. सो दैट योर बॉडी गेट्स अ प्रॉपर टाइम टू डाइजेस्ट, और आपकी बॉडी फिर बहुत जल्दी डाइजेस्ट भी कर लेगी, एंड इट इवेंचुअली repairs your body, and your body is going to give you a big thank you to you in a long run. So now the tip number 5 is that to start journaling. Now this is one of the topic which I'm very very new to it, because like I am a kind of a person who likes to speak a lot. For me to sit patiently and write something is like very very difficult, and a very different, not difficult, but I can say it's a very different thing to me. So now I want to start, and I will be starting my journaling practices, because I really want to do it, because it gives you a lot of satisfaction. Because if you also want to start your journaling, though I'm not a good person that can tell you about it. There are numerous of videos available जो कि मैंने देखे, because I'm also starting this. So मैंने बहुत search किया what is journaling, how you can maintain a good journal, and blah blah stuff. So I will link those videos which I found a good and a bit helpful in the description box, so make sure you check that out as well if you want to start. But मैंने बहुत कुछ देखा, मतलब इतने वीडियोस देखे कि आपको इतना थेरेप्यूटिक लगता है, इतना अच्छा फील होता है. सो लेट्स ट्राई इट आउट कि कैसा लगता है भाई, लाइक इफ यू कैन मेंटेन द जर्नल और नॉट. इफ सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ लाइक बहुत सारी जर्नल होती है इसके अंदर भी, मैंने बहुत कुछ पढ़ा है इसके बाद। आई एम डूइंग माई रिसर्चेस, सो आई रीड अबाउट इट कि बहुत सारी चीजें होती है इसमें। ग्रेटिट्यूड होता है इसमें, जनरल डायरी राइटिंग होती है, फ्री स्टाइल राइटिंग होती है, आपको जो थॉट्स आ रहा है तो यू रियली नीड टू पिक कि आपके लिए क्या सिलेक्ट कर सकता है. फॉर मी आई जस्ट रियली वांट टू समटाइम्स लाइक आई एम काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन wants to free who wants to opt for freestyle writing. जो मन में आ रहा है वो लिखो, for the thought of the day, for a thought, and what are you feeling about it, what are your dreams, goals, you can write. There are some affirmations also what you want to practice out. So either you can do this at your morning, pick a time, like set a time, whatever you want to do it. So we are going to do this for a long run. So I'm going to be telling you about what is a good journal, how you can maintain a good journal, and blah blah stuffs like that. But I think मुझे ये करना है क्योंकि ये बहुत न्यू है मेरे लिए, because other things I am doing and other things I can do, but this is something which is very creative to me. So I just really want to do this, and एक पिक अच्छा सा टाइम करना है, चाहे वो मॉर्निंग का करो नाइट करो. I think for me night time will be better because I can write whatever happened to me in a day and what was the good stuff about it, was what I've lesson I've learned in a particular day. If the day was rough or about whatever, so I can write my learnings from that particular day and what are the things that I really don't need to do it again and blah blah stuff like that. So I can write it on a page. So ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत एक महंगे वाली जर्नल में इन्वेस्ट करना है. एक नोटबुक ले लो एंड जस्ट स्टिक टू दैट ओनली. विल गोना स्टिक टू दैट. सी महंगी जर्नल लेकर क्या फायदा जब कुछ आप लिख ही नहीं रहो. एक दिन लिखा और एक दिन नहीं लिखा. तो लेट्स सी एंड लेट्स फाइंड आउट कि कैसे हम करने वाले हैं इस चीज को. इट्स इनकॉर्पोरेट करेंगे, देखेंगे कि हाउ इट गोज, देन कुछ और करेंगे एंड देन इट्स गोना मेक अ बिग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आरसेल्फ. ये हैबिट्स आपने सोच तो ली, बट अब आप इनको करने की मतलब आप इनको रोज डेली रूटीन में एडप्ट कैसे करने वाले हो, हाउ यू गोना इनकॉर्पोरेट इनटू डेली रूटीन. बिकॉज आपने सोच तो लिया हाँ ये करेंगे, बट वो जो होता है ना कि 2 दिन बीत गए उसके बाद का क्या. सो वॉट यू कैन डू इन दिस, आई हैव सेट फ्यू रिमाइंडर्स. मैंने अपने नोट्स वाले में फ्यू रिमाइंडर्स सेट किए हैं. सो इट इज गोइंग टू टेल मी कि भाई अब ये करना है, तुझे अब ये करना है, ये अब ये करना है. सो इट्स लाइक दैट. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो सेट सच काइंड ऑफ रिमाइंडर्स. और अगर आपका विल पावर तो स्ट्रांग होगा, आपको किसी रिमाइंडर की जरूरत नहीं, तो बहुत ही बेस्ट है गाइस. सो काश मेरे भी इतना अच्छा विल पावर हो जाए, बट लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट कि हमें कुछ टाइम के बाद इन रिमाइंडर्स की जरूरत नहीं होगी. हमारी बॉडी बोलेगी चल करना है, अब ये करना है, ऐसा भी हो जाए. सो दैट्स व्हाट अबाउट टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो अ बिट हेल्पफुल. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Lots of love. Bye bye. We'll see in the next. I'll see you guys in the next video and probably very soon.